So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through completing the square method. So here the equation which is given is to solve x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0 through completing the square method. So first we'll write the equation as it is: x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then we'll take this constant to the RHS side. That implies x square minus 6x is equal to minus 3. Now we have to convert it into, here it is minus sign, so it will be ax minus b whole square, a minus b whole square format. So it will be x whole square. Now we have to write 6x in 2ab format. So it will be minus, here it is x, this is the first part, into 3. 2 into x into 3. 2ab. A is x, b is equal to 3. Now to convert it into a minus b whole square format, we have a square and minus 2ab. Now we need to add plus b square or plus 3 square. So we have added plus 3 square extra on the LHS side. So we have to do the same for the RHS also. Minus 3 plus 3 square. So that implies here this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is what? X minus 3 whole square. That is equal to minus 3 plus 3 square, which is equal to 9, which is equal to 9 minus 3, 6. That implies x minus 3 is equal to root over of 6. Okay, so it will be equal to plus minus root over of 6. Okay, plus root 6 is also, whole square is also 6, minus root 6 whole square is also equal to 6. That implies x is equal to either 3 minus root 6 or x is equal to 3 plus root 6. Okay, these are the two possible values or solutions of x. Our objective is to find the value of x. So we have done it. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, this, the two values of x. So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through completing the square method. The equation is given x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0 and we have to solve it. So first, as usual, we will be writing the quadratic equation first in the proper format here as it is given. Okay, now this is the constant part, the ax square minus bx plus c, the c part. We have to take it to the RHS side. That implies x square minus 4x is equal to minus 1. Now we have to convert this into a minus b whole square format. Why? Because here it is minus sign. So it will be minus 2ab. So a minus b whole square, ax minus b whole square. Whichever way you feel it is comfortable for you to understand this, you can do that. So here we'll write x square here in this way. Okay, x square then 4x will write it in 2ab format. A is x here, so 2a, then more 2. So 2 into x into 2 is equal to 4x. We'll write 4x in this format. So here this is A, this is B, which is equal to 2. We need B square more on this side. So for that we'll add plus 2 square on both sides, because this is extra which we have added to convert it into a minus b whole square format. So this is a square and this is b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So that implies this is, we can write it as x minus 2 whole square, which is equal to minus 1 plus 4, which is equal to 3. That implies x minus 2 is equal to plus minus root 3. That implies x is equal to 2 plus minus root 3. That implies the value of x can be 2 minus root 3 or it can be 2 plus root 3. These are the two possible values of x. Okay, 2 minus root 3 or 2 plus root 3. These are the two possible values of x. Same process which we have done in the previous questions also. Okay.